What is going on, guys? Just our OVO update back again with another video, and today I'm bringing you guys with me to the mailbox to my boy's house because we got some stuff to do. And of course we also have a $1,000 OVO box and we're gonna check out for ourselves. I'm gonna film my reaction to everything, but before we get into everything, I need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and let's get on with the day. Alright, so I literally hopped in the car and Sound 42, I got that shit coming on default, but they're just playing a song that was actually a Drake sample, so I'm gonna see if I can get it for you guys. Let me know if you guys just heard that. I'm actually gonna run the Drake song and show you guys the comparison. Alright guys, so we just got to the shipping place. I just finished shipping everything out, and I pulled over to the side to talk about the pickups that I got from Kill the Hype. We got not one, but 2 boxes. Shout out to my boy for coming through on these. These were ordered on Black Friday and they're still just coming in. It's part of the same order as this hat. So it has taken honestly a little while for all this to come in. I still have 2 more on the way, so I will be showing you guys those in the future. But anyways, let's hop into these boxes. Alright, so let's start off with the first box. This one only has 1 in it, and this one is probably the most simple one I got. As you can see, it's more simple and probably the simplest out of all of them. I love this patch on the side. Kill the Hype World Series, very nice. Again, all the hats have this on the back. Everything is embroidered on here, again with the green under brim. You definitely can't go wrong with the black plain simple hats. I had the black one before, but it didn't have the patch on the side, and honestly that black one is super beat. I wore it a ton, so definitely good to grab another black hat. Next up though, we have 2 hats, and these ones are a lot more bright and colorful than the black one right here. As you can see, orange and a blue. Let's start off with the orange. Damn, that blue one is clean though. All right, so here is the orange, again with the black stitching on the orange hat. We got the Kill the Hype logo on the side, as well as the back in black. I don't usually wear colored hats, but since I got them all on the Black Friday sale, which was pretty good, I saved like $100 or $200, somewhere in between that range, so I had to grab some things a little more different, a little more unique. I'm definitely gonna wear this in October time, September, around the fall. Definitely a good fall hat. So again, another solid pickup. All right, and here is the blue. This one is very nice. You could tell the difference from the new hats and the old hats because the new ones have the tag on it, and they're also lined with Kill the Hype on the inside. I don't know if you guys could see that, as well as the tag right there. If you guys could see, this one doesn't have any of that. So I'm really glad with the new hats they started incorporating the tag and the little details. This one also does come a little bit pre-curved as well. So we got the royal blue with the white logo embroidered. Again, we got the Kill the Hype logo on the side. This one is in silver, and so instead of gold, and then the Kill the Hype along the back. This one is a lot more wearable and a lot more cleaner than the orange one. Let me know which one is your favorite, guys, out of the 3. Honestly, I really love the patch on the side of this one, and the royal blue is very nice for the summer. So anyways, that's gonna do it for the hat unboxing. I hope you guys did enjoy that little segment. I know a lot of you guys were asking about the Kill the Hype hats. Also, if you want me to do a collection video, let me know. Anyways, we're gonna head back home and get into that October's very own box.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, and we are back home. Time to get into that OVO box. So how I actually got this box, one of the homies reached out to me on Instagram and says, yo, I got a bunch of stuff to sell. Let me know if you'd be wanting to buy it and then sell it. So I was like, you know what? Send it all over in one box. Let me unbox it for the YouTube channel. Let me show you guys what I end up getting, and then I'm gonna sell it all to you guys at crazy, crazy prices. So honestly, I'm not too sure what's in this box. He sent me kind of like a rough idea. I kind of forgot. It's been like 2 weeks now. It took a while to get here. But without further ado, let's get into it. Also, I know the lighting might be a little shit, but I'm working on getting a new lighting setup. Anyways, we got a nice long sleeve t-shirt. This is actually in pretty good condition as well. This is actually pretty OG, and it's from, I think, 2016, 2017. Very nice in an XL. And we even got the owl on the back. Pretty cool. This one's gonna go up for a steal price for sure, $40. So I know retail on the long sleeves nowadays are pretty expensive. Next up, we got a nice long sleeve again. This is the runner long sleeve, and the material is actually really nice on it. Wow, it's a lot more heavier than the last one we just saw. So it really goes to show you that the different eras of OVO are different qualities. That one's from like 2016, 2017. This one, again, a lot newer and different quality as well. So there's that gray with the runner logo. I'm not too sure if this is 3M. It could be. It has a little bit of peeling. So again, this one's definitely going to go for a great price. Next up, I'm seeing some green in here. Oh yeah, that's right. I remember seeing this, the green polo. This is the runner crest. It was actually a pretty weird combination when this came out, with the crest and the runner logo together. Very, very cool. I see some heat in here, guys. Let's get straight to it, man. Take a freaking look at this Sicko hoodie. Honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna sell this to you guys. I want this for myself. When this came out, it was such a sleeper. But now looking back at it, the Sicko is so hard. They did it in red and purple as well. Honestly, I might end up keeping this. I know this one is an XL, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's an XL. The quality is just insane as well. Take a look at that Sicko. Anyway, stay posted to the Instagram to see if I do end up selling it. Instagram up on screen there if you want to follow. Next up, we got another great hoodie. This one was a pretty hot item when it came out. Again, the runner with the flags, very nice. This one's in gray XL as well. Very nice right there. I love how they put all the flags of where they have stores. So UK, Canada, USA, and Japan. Very nice. I remember actually this came out before the Tokyo store was opening. So when we saw that it had the Tokyo, Japan flag, we knew it was coming. So this was kind of like a little teaser, a little preview of what they had to come. Moving right along, guys, we got some t-shirts. So these again are all going to be going out for steal prices, all under retail. OVO Athletics, I know Skepta ended up wearing this one. This one's pretty OG as well with the owl on the back. Very clean right there. We got another t-shirt. Again, maybe I'm going to do a bundle actually. You know what? I'm probably going to bundle all these t-shirts up. Maybe like $80 for all three. That is a steal because retail on these shirts were all like 50 bucks. Anyways, another long sleeve. We got a lot of long sleeves. I know a lot of you guys like the long sleeves and they don't have much to offer on the OVO site as for long sleeves. So a nice center owl graphic right there. Getting down to the last few things now. We got a nice spring jacket. So this is like a windbreaker sorta. As you can see, we have the zip up right there with the owl. It also has the zip up pockets right there, zip up along the front, and the adjustable hood. This is definitely a great jacket to have in the springtime. Another jacket, you guys know how I feel about this jacket. I have one myself and it was my daily jacket throughout high school, except this one is the runner style. Very nice jacket, essential for any season, spring, summer, winter. This is a great jacket to have the sports zip up. So if you're in the need for a new sports zip, I'm pretty sure this is an XL. Definitely stay on the lookout on the page for this one. And then guys, last but not least, yet another long sleeve. This is the striped long sleeve, the patch. Again, pulling out some pieces from the OG era, kind of OG era, not really. 2016 was a great time for OVO. A solid piece right here. This one did sell out again, XL. Stay tuned to the Instagram page, man. These are all going to be going up at great prices. Anyways, guys, that was it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy. Like, comment, and subscribe down below. And I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. Peace.